If you're seeing the GOG Error E3, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that can get GOG Galaxy working again. This issue is often caused by an account sync problem, a security app blocking the launcher, or damaged game files. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling everything. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and gaming troubleshooting guides. Let's jump right in. First, start by refreshing your GOG account. Open GOG Galaxy and sign out of your account completely. Once you're logged out, close the launcher if needed, then sign back in again using the same account details. This helps reset the connection between GOG Galaxy and your account, and in many cases it clears temporary login or sync issues that can trigger Error E3. After signing back in, give the launcher a moment to reconnect and check whether the error is gone. If you still see the problem, the next thing to do is configure your antivirus and firewall exceptions. Sometimes Windows security can block GOG Galaxy from accessing files or connecting properly. To do that, open the Windows Start menu and search for Virus and Threat Protection. Click it to open Windows Security, then select Manage Settings. Scroll down until you find Add or Remove Exclusions. Click that option, then choose Add an Exclusion and select Folder. Now browse to your GOG Galaxy installation folder and add it to the exclusions list. This tells Windows not to scan or block the launcher, which can help fix E3 errors caused by security interference. If you use another antivirus program, it's a good idea to add GOG Galaxy there as well, or temporarily disable it just to test whether it's the cause. Once the exception is added, reopen GOG Galaxy and see if the issue is resolved. If the error is happening while updating or launching a specific game, then the next step is to verify your local game files. This is one of the most effective ways to repair update-related problems. Inside GOG Galaxy, go to Installed Games and select the game that's showing the error. Then click the filter icon, go to Manage Installation, and choose Verify Repair. GOG will now check your local files against the official version and automatically fix missing or corrupted data. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so let it finish completely. When the verification is done, try launching the game again or restarting the update. In many cases, this clears the E3 error right away. If the problem still appears, you can also restart your PC and open GOG Galaxy again after making these changes, just to make sure everything refreshes properly. A clean restart can help Windows security rules, account authentication, and launcher services apply correctly. So to quickly recap, the best fixes for GOG Error E3 are: refresh your GOG account by logging out and signing back in, add GOG Galaxy to antivirus and firewall exclusions, and verify or repair the affected game files. These steps solve most common E3 errors without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this video saved you time, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.